Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this live is very confusing and too much time consuming, so I request you please watch the video carefully, because if you make a one single mistake or if you face any kind of error, then you have to just restart the lab. You can't correct that error. Okay, so I request you please watch the video carefully, and again I'm saying please use your online notepad, do not use your personal notepad. Okay, I will share this link in description box, so no need to worry about that. So first of all, just log in with your credentials, click on this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now what you have to do, just simply scroll down till this task. Now what you have to do, just copy this API name. Do not copy any extra space, otherwise you are not able to find this API. Just copy this, search over here, and in the marketplace you can see this API name. Just open this thing in new tab. Now just copy this second like this. Do not copy any extra space, otherwise you are not able to find. Now just open this thing in new tab, and again I'm saying please follow the way I'm doing this lab. Okay, open the tab the way I'm opening. It will help you to just solve this lab very easily. Okay, now just come over here and click on this enable. Now what you have to do, just go back to the dashboard, search for VM instance, open this thing in new tab, come back over here, wait for a second, and the first thing what you have to do, click on these three bars, and from here just choose the external IP. Click on this checkbox and click on OK. Now click on this SSH, wait for a second. Now just go back to the notepad and please copy the command the way I am copying. First of all, just copy this single command, just wait for a second. Now run the command over here. Okay, now just copy these three commands and run over here. Okay, now copy these two commands, just wait for this command get execute and start. Now run these two commands. Okay, now we are in the database. Now just copy these three commands and run over here. Now what you have to do, just simply search for the online word replacer and click on this first link. Okay, this link. Okay, just wait. Now here what you have to do, just simply scroll down. Here you can see migration admin, so just copy that. Okay, let me just click over here, click on this find text and just paste over here migration admin. Now for the replace with, just go back to the lab instruction, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see migration username, so just copy this username and paste over here. Okay, now what you have to do, go back to notepad and copy from this create query, scroll down till here. As you can see, this exit, copy all this thing from this create till this exit. Okay, come back over here, paste over here, and here you can see this is the updated query. So just copy all this query at the same time, copy all this, come back to the SSH and paste over here and hit enter like this. Okay, so we have done with this task. Now what you have to do, just simply click on this first API and just simply search for the database migration. Click over here. Now click on this create job, wait for a second. Now just simply search for the, or you can just simply type Qwiklabs. Okay, now from here just choose the PostgreSQL. Now from here you have to just choose the Cloud SQL. Okay, now for here just simply choose continuous. Scroll down and click on save and continue. It will take a couple of seconds, so just wait for that. Now just simply click over here, and from here just choose create a connection profile. Now for here again just give the same name, Qwiklabs. Now for the host name, go back to your VM instance, copy this external IP, come back over here, paste the external IP over here. Now for the username, just go back to the lab instructions, copy this username, copy that, paste over here. Now for the password, copy this password, paste over here, and just make sure that your password must look like this. There is no extra space, just make sure of that. Okay, now just simply scroll down and click on this create. Wait for a second. And it's done. Now please pay attention, because the point number 3 is very important. Click on this save and continue. Now here please pay attention, this is very important point. Okay, so just simply scroll down and here you can see destination ID. So just copy this ID, replace with this name. Now for the password, just copy this password and paste over here. Let me just zoom in for you. Here you can see there is no extra space. Okay, so just make sure of that. Now from here just choose the version 30. Okay, scroll down and from here just choose a private IP, scroll down, click on this allocate and connect. Now just wait for 1 to 2 minutes and it will be done. And it's done. Now just simply scroll down and from the machine type just choose a standard. Okay, it must be 1 CPU. Scroll down, it must be 10 GB. Just simply click on create and continue and then click on this create a destination and continue. Now this thing is going to take at least 10 to 15 minutes. For here just simply choose a VPC pairing and here you can see start creating a destination. Now just wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After that we can just move forward with the next task. So just wait. and it's finally done. Now what you have to do, just simply click on this configure and continue. Wait for a couple of seconds and then click on this status job. And here you can see I got a green tick. If you face any kind of error over here, okay, so just go and restart your lab. You can't do anything, just restart your lab. If you face any kind of error, you have to just restart your lab. And if you get a green tick, just simply click on this create and start job and just simply click on create and start. Wait for a couple of seconds and it's done. Now just wait and click on this name. Now just check the status, and here you can see the status is starting. Once the status is in running state, after that we can just move forward with the next task. And one more thing guys, once we're done with the task number 3, we have to just simply come back over here and just check that are we able to click on this promote option or not. If you're not, just wait for a couple of minutes and then again click on this promote option. So just wait until the status is in running state. And it's done. As you can see, running. Now what you have to do, just simply click on this second API tab. Now here just simply search for the SQL. Okay, click over here, wait for a second. Now click on this second option. Do not click on this master instance ID. Click on this second instance ID, wait for a second. Now click on this connection option, click on this networking, scroll down a little bit, and for here click on this add a network. Now for the name, just simply scroll down and come on the task number 3. Copy this name, paste over here. Now for the network, go back to the instance ID and just copy this external IP, come back over here and paste over here. Now just simply click on done, scroll down and click on save. Now just wait for this thing to be updated. Here you can see it's editing. It will take a couple of seconds, just wait. Meanwhile, if you want, just simply click on user ID, and once this is done, you can see we are able to click over here. So just wait for a couple of seconds and let's see. And it's done. Now just wait, and here you can see now we are able to click on this edit option. Now click on this cloud IAM. Now for the principal, scroll down, copy this username. Do not copy that comma, just copy the username, paste over here and click on add. Now just wait, and here you can see it's editing. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. After that we will move forward the task. And it's edited. Now click on this overview, click on this cross. Okay, now just simply scroll down and here you can see open cloud shell. Click over here, and for us one command will already executed for us, or you can say created for us. Click on got it. Now just wait, and here you can see this is command. Just hit enter click on authorize. Now after a couple of seconds it will ask enter your password. So what you have to do, just go back to the notepad, and here you can see this is super secret password. So just copy this password, copy all this and this colon as well. Make sure one thing, password will not visible for us, so just make sure that you have to just copy the password correctly. Just wait. And it's done. Now it's asking for the password, so just paste the password and hit enter. If you face any kind of issue over here, that means you didn't copy the password correctly. Okay, now we are in the database. Scroll down, copy this command, or you can say query, paste and hit enter. Again it's asking for the password, so again just copy the same password and paste over here. And if you face any kind of error, that means you haven't copied the password correctly. Now we are in the order database. Now just simply scroll down. Now here what we have to do, please check over here, we have to change the table name. So just simply come back over here. This is a table name, so just copy this table name. For you it might be different, so just copy this table name. Now select from this square bracket till this square bracket like this, paste over here like this. Okay, now for the username, just simply come back over here, copy this username, come back over notepad and make the changes. Make sure the username is between these two inverted comma. Now copy this query, come back over here and paste, hit enter. Once you see the grant option, or you can say output, that means you modify the command correctly. Now just copy this last command and paste, hit enter. We are done with the task number 3. Now what you have to do, just go back to lab instruction, click on this check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Just wait and let's see. No need to worry about task number 1 and task number 2. We will check the score at last. Okay, so we are done with task number 3. Now as I said, once we're done with the task number 3, where we have to go, we have to go to database migration. Just wait, and here you can see we are able to click on this promote option. So just simply click over here and just click on promote option. Just wait, and we are done with this. Now please pay attention. Task number 4 is very complicated, so I request you please watch the video carefully. If you make a one single mistake, or if you miss one point, your all progress will no use. Okay, so please watch video carefully. First of all, what you have to do, we have to enable some backup. Then we have to just edit the day. So what you have to do, just simply come back over here, click on this cross. Okay, now please pay attention. First of all just check this thing is green. Okay, and here there is no backup option. So if I just simply click on refresh, okay, now this thing is running state, and here you can see the backup option has been come up. So now just wait for a couple of minutes. Once we get a green tick over here, after that we can just move forward to this task. Okay, so now just wait, and here you can see operation still progress, so that's why we are not able to edit over here. So just wait for a couple of minutes, and then we are able to click on this edit option. And it's finally done. As you can see, we got a green tick. Now click on this edit option. Now from here you can see this enable point in time recovery, click on this. Okay, now click on this advanced option, and here you can see day of logs. So if you just simply come over here, so we have enabled the backups. Now what we have to do, we have to just change the number. So for me it's 5, so I'm going to change to 5. For you it might be different, so make the changes correctly. Okay, we are done with this. Simply click on save. Now here you can see this thing is progress. So just wait until this thing is, you will get a green tick over here. And it's finally done. As you can see, now please pay attention because this is very important task. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply click on activate cloud shell. Now please pay attention guys, because this is a very important task. Just wait. And now what you have to do, just go back to the notepad, and here you can see this command, date command. So just copy this command, come back over here and hit enter. You can see this timestamp, so just copy this timestamp because we need in later step. So just copy that and just paste over here like this. Okay, now what you have to do, just come over here. Let me just drag down, click on this overview, and just simply scroll down. You can see activate cloud shell. Once you click over here, one command will pop up over here. So just simply click over here, and as you can see, command is come. Now just again maximize this cloud shell. Now again hit enter. Now we need a password. So this is a password which we are going to use. Same password. Just make sure password will not visible for us. So just copy the password correctly. Just wait for a second. And it's done. Now it's asking for the password, so just paste the password and hit enter. If you face an error, that means you haven't copied the password correctly. Now again what you need to do, just copy this command, paste over here. Again it's asking for the password, so again just copy this password, super secret, and paste over here, hit enter. It's done. Now we are connected to database. Now just simply copy these two commands, copy this, paste over here, and it's done. One row is insert. Now just copy gcloud auth login, paste over here. If you want to continue, just yes, click over here, authorize yourself, scroll down, click on allow, copy this token, come back over here, paste, hit enter. If you want, you can just simply click on this down arrow. Now please pay attention, we have to just set a policy. So just simply come over here, copy your project ID, come back over here, make the changes like this. Now copy this command, paste over here, hit enter, and it's done. Now this is the last command. So what you have to do, just simply come over here. We need a instance ID. So just copy this instance ID, migration cloud SQL for this instance ID. Come back over here, make the changes like this. Now here you can see we need a timestamp. So if you just remember, we have just copied this timestamp. So just copy that and just replace with this timestamp between this single colon, or you can say inverted comma like this. Now copy this command, paste over here, and now just wait. Now this thing is going to take couple of minutes, so just wait. and it's finally done. Now I'm glad that we are facing this issue. Now just watch the video carefully. Let me just increase the text size for you. And if you face this kind of issue, no need to worry about that. It's saying that we are doing the same right thing. Okay, now just copy from here till here. Okay, copy from this sign till here. If you face this kind of issue, that's that time you have to do. If you face like issue error like timestamp not correct, that means you haven't copied the timestamp correctly. Okay, if you face this kind of issue, what you have to do, just copy from here till here between these two signs. Now just paste the command over here and hit enter. Now just wait for a couple of minutes and we are done with the task number 4 as well. Now if you want, if you just simply come back over here and click on the check my progress for task number 1. Okay, so this is a first check my progress. We will get a score without any issue. Okay, now scroll down, click on this check my progress. We will get a score, and for here also. If you remember, after done with the task number 3, we have click on this promote option. So we got a score. We already got a score for the task number 3. Now just wait for a couple of minutes and we are done with the task number 4 as well. If you face this error, that time we will done with the task number 4. If you face the error like the timestamp is not correct, that means you haven't copied the timestamp correctly after updating or after creating a backup. So that's why I tell you, like, please watch the video carefully for task number 4. And it's finally done. As you can see, we got output. Now if you just simply come over here and click on this check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. If you didn't get a score on first attempt, no need to worry about that. Just keep hitting on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. As you can see, we got a score. And if you didn't get a score, you will get one kind of error like timestamp is not correct. So that's mean you haven't copied the timestamp. That only error you can get, otherwise you won't get any kind of error. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. I hope you guys like the video. Please do, if you like the video, please give one thumbs up and comment down below, is this helpful for you or not. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.